If you eat 2 apples every day, amazing things will happen to your body. As the saying goes, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, and it certainly holds true for apples. Apples are one of the most exotic and amazing fruits that Mother Nature has blessed us with. This is what will happen to your body when you eat 1 or 2 apples every day. 1. You will get whiter, healthier teeth. An apple won't replace your toothbrush, but biting and chewing an apple stimulates the production of saliva in your mouth, reducing tooth decay by lowering the levels of bacteria. 2. Curb all sorts of cancers. Scientists from the American Association for Cancer Research, among others, agree that the consumption of apples could help reduce your risk of developing pancreatic cancer by up to 23%. Researchers at Cornell University have identified several compounds in apple peel that have potent anti-growth activities against cancer cells in the liver, colon and breast. 3. Decrease your risk of diabetes. Women who eat at least 1 apple a day are 28% less likely to develop type 2 diabetes than those who don't eat apples. 4. Prevents asthma. Taking apple juice regularly can prevent chances of asthma, which is a hypersensitive allergic disorder. 5. Reduce cholesterol. The soluble fiber found in apples binds with fats in the intestine, which translates into lower cholesterol levels and a healthier you. 6. Get a healthier heart. The phenolic compound found in apple skins also prevents the cholesterol that gets into your system from solidifying on your artery walls. An apple protects your heart from this danger effectively. 7. Mineral content. It contains a number of minerals: iron, zinc, copper, manganese and potassium, a must for human health and well-being. The iron in apples is a trace element, and it helps in raising the levels of blood oxygen and helps in increased metabolic rate. 8. Prevents skin cancer. It contains vitamin C that helps in preventing skin cells damage by free radicals and thus reduces the chances of skin cancer. 9. Beat diarrhea and constipation. Whether you can't go to the bathroom or you just can't stop, fiber found in apples can help. Fiber can either pull water out of your colon to keep things moving along when you're backed up, or absorb excess water from your stool to slow your bowels down. 10. Brighten and lighten complexion. Apple fruit has the potential to lighten, brighten and soothe your skin. This is because it has the highest content of collagen, the stuff that is vital for keeping your skin flawless and youthful. Thus, consuming this delicious red fruit provides you with a rosy, youthful glow forever. 11. Boosts your immune system. Red apples contain an antioxidant that recent studies have found it can help boost and fortify your immune system, especially when you're stressed out. 12. Prevent cataracts. Recent long-term studies suggest that people who have a diet rich in apples are 10 to 15% less likely to develop cataracts. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends and family. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.